In today's video, I'm going to talk about what exercises you should be doing right after having a Bankart lesion repair. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. A Bankart lesion is a tear to certain connective tissues in the shoulder that often accompanies a dislocation of the shoulder. And so this is a pretty common injury in the sports world, and it usually requires surgery to fix. Now, the therapy after surgery, especially the first 6 weeks after surgery, has to progress carefully so as to not damage the repaired portions. So in today's video, I'm going to go through the exercises and a progression of some of those exercises that are safe and effective to do immediately after a Bankart repair. Before I demonstrate the program, I want to remind everybody, click those like buttons, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video with a friend. So first off, during the first 3 weeks after surgery, you really can't reach with the hurt arm. You can't reach into cupboards, you can't reach behind your back. You're really restricted to only the exercises you're given by your therapist. Now, one of the exercises I often use is what I call a table or chair step back. So hands on the back of a chair or maybe on a table, on a countertop, and you're simply gonna step back to no more than about a 90-degree angle between my arm and my body. So that's approximately that position. This is as far as you can go, even if it feels good, even if it feels you can go further. During the first 3 weeks after surgery, this is as far as you go. Step back to upright and repeat. Step back, again, stop at no more than a 90-degree bend between the shoulder and the body. Hold for 5 or so seconds. Step back. Now, after 3 weeks, we can start to work that up gradually to about a 140-degree angle between the arm and the body. That's approximately that position. So at 6 weeks post-op, ideally, you can reach to about this level. Again, hold for a few seconds, about 5. Step back up, wait for just a moment, and repeat. Again, no more than that 140-degree angle about until you're at least 6 weeks since surgery. Our next exercise is external rotation of the shoulder, a very gentle stretch into external rotation. So that's this movement. Now, for the first 3 weeks after surgery, I can only go 30 degrees. That's approximately this position. That's it. Even if it doesn't hurt, even if it feels like you can go further, no more than 30 degrees because you'll start to stress that repaired portion in the shoulder. Back to the starting point. Push out about 30 degrees, hold 5 to 10 seconds, back and forth. Now, after 3 weeks, you can move a little further, modestly further, to 45 degrees of external rotation. That's about here. Again, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, back and forth, 10 to 20 repetitions. One of the other things that we don't want to overlook in this initial phase, this immediate post-op phase of rehab after a Bankart repair, is the coordination of our shoulder blade muscles. Our shoulder blade muscles are super important in controlling the function of our shoulder. So very simple, these are often called shoulder blade or scapular clocks. So as you're sitting, you're simply going to bring the shoulder blades up, basically shrugging as high as you can, not a long hold time. Now the trickier part, shoulder blades down as far as you can. Hold for a moment. Up and down, 20 to 30 times. You really can't overdo this. Now the trickier movement is backward shoulder blade movement. So back and down with the shoulder blades to forward, like you're trying to roll the shoulder blades forward on the rib cage. Back and forth again, 20 to 30 repetitions. One of the things we can work on right out of the gate is our spine mobility, and we need some extension of our mid-back to have normal shoulder blade and therefore shoulder mobility. And this is especially important in our throwing athletes. So, rolled up towel behind my mid-back. You could even have your sling on when you do this. Imagine I have a sling on my left arm, and you simply lean back, look up, stretching the mid-back, hold 10 to 15 seconds, come back to the starting point. Really simple, but something that's really often overlooked with our shoulder patients is their lack of mid-back mobility. And this is one way to combat that. Again, about a 10 to 15 second hold each rep, about 5 repetitions. After a Bankart lesion repair, we can start working on rotator cuff strength. Very much different than those who've had a rotator cuff repair. This is totally off limits. But after a Bankart repair, cuff strength is part of the program. So we're going to do something we call sub-maximal isometrics. So kitchen chair, I think works really well. Some weight in it. I have a dumbbell on the seat pan to keep it stable. Okay, so I'm going to press the back of my hand into the back of the chair. I have about a 90-degree bend at my elbow. I'm pushing with enough force to feel like I'm doing something, but I don't feel any pain. It's not a maximal effort. Push, hold 5 to 10 seconds, relax. Push, 5 to 10 second hold, relax. About 10 to 20 reps. Then switch directions. Now palm of the hand into the back of the chair. Push and hold, again 5 to 10 seconds each time, 10 to 20 reps. One last movement. Now with a straight elbow, you're going to push the back of the hand into the chair as if you're trying to do this, but the chair is stopping you. Push and hold. Again, it should be pain-free. 5 to 10 second hold, and again, 10 to 20 repetitions. Those are the exercises I most often use for my patients who have just had a Bankart repair. They're in that immediate post-op phase, that first 6 weeks after surgery. So we're progressing their range of motion pretty carefully within pretty strict movement guidelines. We're starting some strengthening, but again, we're being pretty gentle, and really everything revolves around not damaging that repaired portion of the shoulder. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it helps you get back to what you love to do. Like, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and we'll see you in the next video.